A car crashed in a blizzard near Colorado's Eisenhower Tunnel. In the chaos, Aria ran. She was 9 years old. Indoor only, gray tabby, never meant for the wilderness. For 6 days, volunteers searched through high winds, sub-zero temperatures, at 11,000 feet. Lost cats hide in silence. One rescuer checked the same log. Once. Twice. Nothing. Then she noticed the slightest movement. She came back a third time, and there she was, Aria. Alive. This wasn't the first miracle here. In 2015, another crash near this tunnel sent 2 cats, Rado and Rita, into the wilderness. They survived too, thanks to the selfless volunteers of Summit Lost Pet Rescue, who devote their time, money, and hearts to saving animals in impossible situations. So, if you ever travel through the Eisenhower Tunnel with pets, put a sticker on your car. Let rescuers know animals are with you. Because sometimes, survival depends on someone noticing one small movement and choosing to look one more time.